Good Wednesday morning. It is the 25th of June. Yep, 6 months till Christmas for those that celebrate. Pretty crazy to think of, but halfway through the year for sure as we head towards the end of the month here. Still roasting today, but not as hot. We have just a heat advisory in effect versus an excessive heat warning. All that means is our heat index temperature will be between 105 and 110 versus above 110 like they were the last couple of days. We do have some showers and storms coming in late this evening. What's happening is the ridge is going to be beat down a little bit, and we see it's high up to the north. This is key and critical because it's going to force easterly winds off the ocean for Friday, when that should bring our temperatures down some. But with the moisture comes risk for showers and storms. Doesn't mean we're going to really get cool. This is the hottest time of the year as we go into July. Average highs get up close to 90 as we go into July. Not yet. We're a little bit early, but not atypical to get this hot early in the year. Maybe this dome was a little more anomalous because we did have a lot of records that were broken in parts of the region, especially the Northeast. But it is fortunately a weakening ridge to an extent. What's going to happen is we're going to cool down for a little bit, then we're going to pop up into the 90s. The humidity is going to be really what we're going to be dealing with. Scattered showers and thunderstorms every single day. Very typical summery kind of pattern. And then that pattern will change as we get a front, hopefully mid next week, that will knock us down into a more comfortable air mass, even though we still stay pretty warm. But it's summer. So what do we expect? All right, let's go through this really quick. So here we are today, starting off nice and cloud-free, but by the late afternoon and evening, showers and storms seem to be possible. And that would knock the temperatures down but increase the humidity. Same thing with Thursday. A better chance tomorrow that we could get some showers and storms maybe into Friday. So later tomorrow into Friday, we could have showers and storms around. Some of that's going to bring heavy rain. This is true for tomorrow night. There's a chance we could see some excessive rain in locations, as much as 2 to 4 inches of rain in areas. 1 to 3, it seems possible in the region. I'm thinking more will favor 1 to 2, 1 to 1.5 inches. Good amount of rain, and we do that. So then we go for it. Oh, sorry, I jumped pretty far in advance while you can see all the precipitation here. So here we are on Friday. We go into the weekend, and look at this. This is Saturday, at least on the GFS, showing a good amount of rain coming down. So Saturday, at least by the afternoon and evening, looks like a washout. Then we kind of clear up some, but by afternoon and evening, on Saturday, more showers and storms, and then on Sunday, the same, although it doesn't look quite as much of a washout on Sunday. By afternoon and evening, though, more showers and storms erupt. So yeah, it's this typical pattern. Hot early, afternoon showers and storms each day. It's going to persist all the way until we're on Tuesday into Wednesday, before finally this high to the north is going to try to push down cooler air into the region. Don't know if it will be that cool. I thought it was looking cooler earlier than what it looks like on this forecast model now. So maybe it won't be as cool next week, late next week, than I first thought. And unfortunately, this looks like a dirty pattern where you get easterly winds off the ocean at times, so you can get scattered showers and thunderstorms pretty much nonstop. So that's interesting. Maybe it'll make the 4th a little more challenging, but hey, it's not atypical for this time of year. So here's what the temperatures look like. Again, we're like 7 to 10 to 12 degrees above normal for today. And then that continues tomorrow still, really, really hot. But then by late Thursday and into Friday, we see it getting a little bit cooler. Not cool, but cooler. Still within, close to normal or a little bit below normal. Saturday, a little more chance of being a little below normal for part of the day, but seriously, it's just hot this time of year. And this is a hard ridge to really break down. So even though some of these winds are getting involved at times, it's not really keeping the temperature from reaching at least 90 degrees or less. So here by Tuesday, maybe Wednesday, we're seeing temperatures get knocked down a little bit more close to normal, but not really below normal anymore. The models really have backed off from the cooler look that they had before as we head into the following week. Then finally, in a very long extended, it looks like a cooler pattern could set in. So we'll have to see. But that was what we were showing before. Now it's already kind of backed off on that. Total precipitation over the next week, especially focus over the next couple of days, could be pretty high. We'll have to watch our backyards, like I said, for localized flooding, because Showers and storms, especially repeating, could drop more rain. This did shift a little bit east. Earlier, it was looking like it would be over us, but still, 1 to 3 inches, like I said, unless you get some thunderstorms on top of you, you could see 2 to 4. So, would I be surprised if a flood watch got issued tomorrow? I'm not sure I would. I think there could be a flood watch issued tomorrow for this. And then the chances of every day having scattered showers and thunderstorms, it's really going to be backyard dependent as to whether or not you're going to get more rain or not. It could be flooding in your neighborhood, and then 2 or 3 neighborhoods down, they didn't get nearly as much rain. Probably not that close, but you get the idea. Summertime, hit or miss. That's it for the forecast. As I said, still pretty warm. Probably slightly above normal remaining, at least until middle part of next week. Maybe somewhat of a cool down around July 4th, but still summery. So it doesn't look like it's going to really cool down. Then maybe the longer range. So there's a little bit of a cooling there as we head into July. All right, have a good one. It's Loudoun County with Outlook.